And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an offset wordmark logo design effect in Adobe Illustrator. It's an often used effect that works with companies that have a well-known name and want to use it as their logo. I've got the Smart Guide and Snip to Point activated. I use the type tool and type in just some random text. Let's assume it's our company name. You want to use a bold font or a font that's by nature very thick. Ultra FLF is thick by nature, I'll use that. And then you want to go down with the distance between the letters over here. So play around with the kerning. I use -130 in this example, but it depends on the size of your wordmark. Once you've found what you want, right click, create outlines, then path and offset path on object. Activate preview. You don't want to have a too thick offset. Let me use 3 pixels here. And now what you need to be doing is you need to reselect it so that the offset is part of the selection, just like this, and then activate the shape builder tool. Hold Alt and get rid of all of the outer shapes. Do that first. Once you've done that, we can work on the overlaps. And you can choose from many. I like to use curves, so I'll keep the straight lines whenever possible. For example, here with the O letter. And sometimes, depending on what you select, for example here, with the U letter, you've got these sharp edges. So you need to decide what you want to get rid of and what looks best in your specific example. For the remaining letters, just connect all of the remaining shapes. When you want to get rid of shapes, just hold the Alt button and its minus sign below your cursor appears. And when you connect shapes, just release the Alt button and you've got the plus sign below the cursor. Alright, that's the basic effect. Afterwards, I want to give it different colors, so I need to go to Object and ungroup it. So it depends on the size of the wordmark, how many groups there are. So don't overdo it, just ungroup it to a certain point and then you can select individual letters, like I did here. So you may have to ungroup it multiple times, but it should work in the end. Just select 2 colors that fit together like this, that's fine. One additional tip on working on the details. When you look at this logo design, we've got the R letter and the P letter. They have these shapes that I might want to work on. Best way to do that is to just use the line segment tool, hold Shift, drag a line from the path of the letter downwards in this case, and then use the shape builder tool again, hold Alt and get rid of the shape. And again with the P letter, I use the line segment tool, go to the path of the P, hold Shift when I drag it downwards so that I've got a straight line in the vertical, and I use the shape builder tool, get rid of it, and then delete the line segment. And this is how you can create this typical wordmark offset logo design effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.